Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a smooth film damage effect in After Effects. First, ready with your clips. After that, take a adjustment layer. Now apply S film damage effect on adjustment layer. Now put grain amplitude 0, stain density 0, hairs 0, scratches 0 and put flicker value 0.12. After that, go in dust details and choose both dust color white. Now put dust density according to your wish. I put here 15. I feel dust density is little bit high, so I put density 12. Now it's alright. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.